UC Merced is a wonderful place to do your graduate studies. Campus is growing rapidly, not only in the number of students, but the number of buildings and the specialized labs that are available. Although we're a new school, we have been jumping in the rankings. We're highly ranked as a research university now by U.S. News & World Report, and our numbers are just catapulting as our faculty are getting better known around the country and around the world.
What's unique about UC Merced is that we are able to meet with our faculty mentors and our committee members more often. And that's really unique to me because a lot of places graduate students see their advisor or mentor once a semester. They're really there to support you. And I really like that this program provides transparency so you know what to expect when you come, because I know for many graduate students, the idea is already daunting, let alone coming here and not knowing what is expected of you.
Mentoring graduate students here, I have an experience of working very, very closely with people. In fact, in a lot of ways, much more closely than I was worked with as a graduate student myself. They are broader extensions of who we are as faculty. We come to know where their areas of strength are. And I think this is the most exciting for all of us, faculty and students both, is the sense that we're building something. This is very, very new. There's nothing like this institution anywhere in the world. It allows us to take the best of some things, bring them together into something that's very, very distinct. And as a result of that, our students come out with a very different kind of experience.
I felt that the trajectory that I wanted to take for my career could really be advanced at UC Merced. UC Merced has the ability for you to collaborate with so many different labs, be it a biologist, chemist, computational, physicist, you name it. Having done my degrees in biology and in physics, I felt that UC Merced did a great job at blending these two passions of mine and allowing me to explore fields that I would not be able to do in other universities.
Here at UC Merced, we emphasize students working rather closely with their advisors and their research groups. And I think that creates a very strong interdisciplinary programs where we're able to tackle some really significant scientific problems, but at the same time also create a very nurturing environment for the graduate students that they can thrive in. I've worked really hard to ensure that the students we bring in represent a very wide segment of society. And this also has a larger societal goal, because if we train and we ensure success of these students, then we're building the pipeline so that future positions in leadership and higher education are held by a very diverse community that represents the public that's out there.
To our prospective students, if you're thinking about joining us, we are doing research in the Central Valley that's relevant to California and the world. So come join us as we build the future in the heart of California.